In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up DMARC record for Klaviyo and Shopify. DMARC is a key email authentication policy that helps protect your brand from spoofing and keeps your messages out of spam. It works alongside SPF and DKIM to confirm that your emails are really coming from your domain. In this walkthrough, we'll use Klaviyo's built-in flow and connect it with Shopify so you can see your DMARC record and confirm everything is aligned. Start in your Klaviyo dashboard. Look to the bottom left corner and click your profile icon to open the account menu. From there, choose Settings. Inside Settings, head to the Domains section. This is where Klaviyo manages your sending domains and the authentication records tied to them. Click Add Domain to launch Klaviyo's setup wizard. Follow the prompts and click Next to proceed. You'll see a brief overview screen. Click Next again to continue to the setup options. When you reach the connection method, choose Setup manually. This gives you control over how Klaviyo connects your domain and guides you through the exact records and checks it needs. You'll see a drop-down for DNS providers. Open that drop-down and select Shopify. This tells Klaviyo which platform manages your domain settings so it can tailor the instructions and verification steps appropriately. After selecting Shopify, click Next to move forward. Now you're ready to verify. Click Verify and let Klaviyo run its checks. This process confirms your domain alignment and authentication settings. It can take a few moments, so be patient and avoid navigating away until it's done. If everything is set correctly in Shopify, you'll see the status settle and your DMARC record will appear. That display confirms Klaviyo recognizes your domain and provides the DMARC details associated with it. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Make sure the domain you're working with in Klaviyo matches the one you use to send emails. Consistency matters for alignment, which is central to DMARC. If verification doesn't pass on the first try, give it a little time and check your Shopify domain connection. DNS-related updates sometimes take a while to propagate, and a short delay is normal. Once the verification is complete and the DMARC record is visible, you're good to go. You've validated the setup path for Klaviyo and Shopify and confirmed that your domain has the DMARC information Klaviyo expects. That's the process from start to finish. Dashboard, profile icon, settings, domains, add domain, next, setup manually, pick Shopify, next, and verify. With that, your DMARC setup for Klaviyo and Shopify is complete.